is where we came in.
Did you put the same tray back in? Maybe we just had duplicate pictures.
Different pictures, yeah.
Okay.
There they are.
Yeah. It's Michael and David.
They should all be there, but that's in front of the church.
This is in front of the church, yeah.
That's
This is a
Grandma
pretty
Johnson.
picture.
Oh,
Grandma
Grandma Johnson.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I guess that's David, I'm not, yeah, I'm sure it's David.
Yep, it's David.
Yeah. Oh,
Golden faster, but it's. What he's got in front of him.
Oh, look at
I guess that's me.
You're not sure who the person underneath is. Lace cake, huh?
Who's on television?
Hmm.
Playing music, I think, yes.
Yeah, it's a
Works
band.
well, maybe.
Oh, probably.
Yeah, it looks like his band, the way they
Yeah.
sit.
Like he's saying stop, doesn't he, or something?
Whenever I go by in the tractor, you come out and say stop, and when we come up to drink something, there
Okay.
I stopped.
Yeah.
Oh, we're getting into something I'm in, because I remember these pictures.
Well, do you? Yeah.
Look at that face.
That's oh man.
Mm-hmm.
Barbara put these pictures in.
Aww.
That's a neat
Kind
picture.
of- They took a dog with them on the way down, and the dog got run over down on the blacktop. It was a
Oh.
bad day.
We got a lot of empty spaces.
Oh.
Most of the parties in wrong places, there we go.
There they are.
'Cause that's backwards.
A little
too.
bit backwards too.
Oh.
Oh.
I think that's Michael.
Oh, that's a cute one too.
That's adorable.
Oh, he's carrying a bucket now.
Oh. Oh, that's neat.
Aww.
See the smiley face on the end of the log there.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
That's
Colleen?
no.
Yeah.
That's Michael there to the left.
Yeah, that's
All
David.
these cake out.
David?
I
Okay.
David?
David?
think it's a train.
Yep.
isn't it?
Got long hair, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
all this field, huh?
There's the huddle, too.
Dara.
Darren and,
Dara is in the back behind
Yeah,
Michael.
uh-huh.
And then Damon in the front.
yeah, in the whole,
Whole house.
Whole house, yeah.
That Dara, she's got I think 4 kids now.
she's got three.
Three or four?
At least three.
I think
They
4.
had them in church, they're the best
Oh, did
kids.
Oh.
They just behaved, which I think went backwards. That's the whole house.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Like the pig. Aww.
They're having a good time.
Mm-hmm.
Got the space shuttle going off behind them there.
Yeah.
Looks like it might be. They aren't even paying any attention. Yeah.
I did that too,
What
huh?
do you got there, Barbara? Two views of him there.
Mhm.
Around the mirror
That's cute.
there. Oh my goodness, he's a scrawny little thing.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Should we keep him? Like we kept him.
Who's the evil guy behind him on TV?
I don't know who that would be. You'll never do it.
That's cute.
White dog, you know.
That was Snowbird, wasn't it? She
Yeah.
disappeared and never came back.
She just came out of nowhere and just disappeared eventually.
Oh.
Liked to have things on his head, didn't he?
Coming home from school now. He got off at noon.
I see.
Carried in the clothes basket.
Go back one.
Back one.
Yeah.